Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very special topic to discuss, especially for those of you who are new to the world of investing. We're going to delve into the timeless wisdom of one of the greatest investors of all time, Warren Buffett. In this video, we're going to explore Warren's advice on how to invest, particularly focusing on what beginners need to know to kickstart their investment journey. 1. Why invest? Let's start at the beginning. Why should you invest? Well, Warren Buffett has a simple and compelling answer. The best investment you can make is in yourself. Before you start investing your money, it's essential to invest in your knowledge and financial education. Understand the power of compounding and realize that investing can be a powerful tool for building wealth over time. The first lesson I want to impart is the incredible power of long-term investing. When I started my journey, I was just a young boy with a passion for numbers. Little did I know that time would become my greatest ally in the world of investing. My advice to you is simple: start early and stay invested for the long haul. 2. Setting financial goals in short versus long term. Warren often emphasizes the importance of setting clear financial goals. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve through your investments? Is it retirement planning, buying a home, or funding your children's education? Setting specific and achievable financial goals will help you determine the right investment strategies. One of Warren's most famous quotes is, "Our favorite holding period is forever." Buffett advocates for a long-term investment approach. Rather than trying to time the market or make quick profits, focus on buying and holding quality assets for the long haul. This strategy minimizes risk and capitalizes on the power of compounding. 3. Do your homework. Invest in what you understand. One of my fundamental principles is to invest in what you know. This means that before you put your hard-earned money into a company or asset, make sure you thoroughly understand it. Take the time to research and educate yourself about the business or industry. Here's a practical tip. Start by investing in companies whose products or services you use and trust. For instance, if you love a particular tech product or appreciate a company's commitment to environmental sustainability, consider looking into their stock. You'll be more likely to stay informed about companies you care about, and that knowledge can be your competitive advantage. 4. Diversification. Warren Buffett advises not to put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is a key risk management strategy. When you're just starting, it's tempting to put all your money into a single investment that you believe will take off. Diversification means by spreading your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, you can reduce the impact of a poor-performing investment on your overall portfolio. By doing so, you reduce the risk associated with having all your eggs in one basket. It's like not putting all your chips on a single number at the casino. Instead, you spread them across the table. This approach helps protect your investments from severe losses when one sector faces a downturn. But remember, the market is unpredictable, and no one can predict the future with certainty. That's why diversification is key. 5. Value investing. Warren Buffett is perhaps best known for his value investing approach. He looks for undervalued companies with strong fundamentals, a competitive advantage, and excellent management. As a beginner, it's crucial to learn how to analyze stocks and identify value investments. Value investing has been the cornerstone of my investment strategy. The core idea behind value investing is to find undervalued assets and hold on to them until the market recognizes their true worth. It's like buying a dollar for 50 cents. To practice value investing, look for companies with strong fundamentals that are trading at a discount to their intrinsic value. Analyze financial statements, understand a company's competitive advantages, and assess its management team. A stock that is undervalued today has the potential to offer substantial returns in the future. 6. Patience and discipline. Two of the most critical attributes for successful investing, according to Warren Buffett, are patience and discipline. Avoid the temptation to buy and sell frequently based on market fluctuations. Stick to your investment strategy and have the discipline to ride out market volatility. Patience is a virtue, especially in the world of investing. The stock market is a volatile place, and prices can swing wildly from day to day. But don't let these short-term fluctuations shake your confidence. My advice is to focus on the long term and not get swayed by the daily noise. Remember that successful investing isn't about timing the market, it's about time in the market. If you have a well-thought-out investment strategy, stick with it and resist the urge to make impulsive decisions based on short-term market movements. 7. Risk management. Understanding and managing risk is paramount in investing. While there are no guarantees in the market, you can control your risk by diversifying your investments, conducting thorough research, and investing in companies with strong financials and competitive advantages. 8. Learn from your mistakes. Warren Buffett acknowledges that everyone makes mistakes in the market. What's crucial is learning from those mistakes. Keep a journal of your investments, track their performance, and assess what went right and what went wrong. This self-reflection can lead to better decision-making in the future. When you make a mistake, don't panic or abandon your investment strategy. Instead, take it as an opportunity to gain experience and improve your decision-making. As I often say, the stock market is designed to transfer money from the impatient to the patient. 9. The power of compounding. Warren Buffett often refers to compounding as the eighth wonder of the world. It's a concept that shows how your investments can grow over time when you reinvest your earnings. As a beginner, understanding and harnessing the power of compounding can be a game changer for your long-term wealth. I want to impart the incredible power of long-term investing. When I started my journey, I was just a young boy with a passion for numbers. Little did I know that time would become my greatest ally in the world of investing. My advice to you is simple. Start early and stay invested for the long haul. One of the most important principles to remember is compounding. Albert Einstein once called compounding the eighth wonder of the world. What he meant is that over time, your money can grow exponentially. Let's say you invest $1,000 today and earn a 10% annual return. In 10 years, you'll have $2,594. In 30 years, it'll be a whopping $17,449. The longer you leave your money invested, the more powerful compounding become. 10. Taxes and fees. Understanding the tax implications of your investments and minimizing fees is crucial. Consider tax-efficient investment strategies, such as using tax-advantaged accounts, and be aware of the impact fees can have on your returns. Fees and expenses can eat into your returns over time, so it's crucial to keep your investment costs as low as possible. When you're just starting, opt for low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These investment vehicles often have lower fees compared to actively managed funds. Also, be mindful of taxes. If you invest in a tax-efficient manner, you can keep more of your returns. For example, consider holding investments for the long term to benefit from lower capital gains tax rates. In conclusion, Warren Buffett's investment wisdom provides invaluable guidance for beginners. By focusing on long-term goals, embracing a value investing approach, staying disciplined, and continually learning, you can set yourself on the path to financial success. Remember, becoming a successful investor takes time, dedication, and the willingness to learn from your experiences. Thank you for joining us today on this journey through Warren Buffett's advice for beginners. If you found this information helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more financial wisdom. Until next time, happy investing.